Mamema wakwaba emfa ombra GCN page so meeting the adjoa sechi. Mr. Subscribe to my channel. Found some ya bell on so. Obey a notification and some echoes will be obeying BT and as obeying a share a GCN page ha. Ura Charles Nkatie ono and our editor of the Hawk newspaper. Now Ura Nkatie no kasi nisema okay na say. Eye Ura Asiedu Nkatie as is your more point and say. Onkoye Juma ewo Parliament House no. Eyade a the NDC for befebu kra. That is the end of NDC party no. To see a party no kwa kamia kwa say ebegu anisa because Ore Asiedu Nkatie oyobia or your troublemaker or hadwin ye papa enti no a strategy bia NPP for mo afa enti no almost share that appoint eye Ore Asiedu Nkatie say onkoye Juma ewo Parliament House send e beya obekana no atum obeye din na on kasa bebre na enkoha NPP party no enti eno omo sheda ekọ adwunkrum na omo ye meeting na omo de Ore Asiedu Nkatie ekọ Parliament House say onkoye adwuma wo se ne beya obeye din na eno ena Ura Nkatie ekyerese ono party onye sure say eye a right honorable Babin ena our appointee Ore Asiedu Nkatie onjindi because when him says our appointment here we ye eyade aba affect NDC party no Ore Asiedu Nkatie yobia or your troublemaker. Obetu ya NPP for no man ka so mo steady. Inti adenti na woman no position na ente se ne be ya obekana no e de atum. Na adofo ya ba Ghana constitution ma article 124 no. Eye speaker of parliament e wo right say o appoint nipa 7. Na omo e service e wo parliament house aye parliament service board no. A Ore Asiedu Nkatie oye general secretary di ma NDC amayoko no. Omo appoint na any chese ho sem abebebre e wo Ghana ha no na ensemi beto odwa no eyade NDC fo ni bebre ama comment afa ho ebisenye na no na Ura Charles Nkatie a oye editor of the Hawk newspaper etrese sa appointment na omo de ama Ore Asiedu Nkatie no enya de beboa NDC party no chese e ma NDC party na befem kura na obi o hadwin sei okekensa ma kese de mamon now can some egu amanfo tirim any propaganda ni asem keto akra na mo amane sa position na chese mo person kana no tu enya sa enti Ura eye Charles Nkatie chese NDC for eye Ore Asiedu Nkatie akọ Parliament House no sisi de that is the end of the party the enti nsema Ura Charles Nkatie e de etudwa
me maka me enti me da me see Asiedu a wo koi asemasi NDC e jana dum
Charles Nkatie, editor of the Hawk newspapers, and I mean Koku Mawili Nene.
That your chances of sailing through. So bana haruna chama indulge me and oba. One have a coffees. Would they were prove graduate that.
So more crime what can we say?
Yeah. Oh chama indulge me and oba who lawyers see Brutus foreman. Oh blow what
hotel.
Sa omumienu enti huzu kukikikiki omubwa santifoti kenkwa omune lobby omune jitum na bedru si chief whip
yeah
any leader
yeah
omune djuma ni si omuso omune yi obwa omuya no makosiri wo inside to we NDC nya yakun what the bullet on the 7th una misuma babusian for they don't think about you. Sa MPs 137 no more problem. They are thinking about how to build on pockets. I don't know more until you free.
General Mosquito on the board of the parliamentary service.
You see, it was a master stroke by whoever made the appointment.
The speaker himself did.
It was, you see, Asiedu Nkatie is the fulcrum of NDC. And to win if you are, the NDC is not there. Why in NDC? I'm a flag bearer. If you are, I bet you move the crowd, but move the masses are. The next person is Asiedu Nkatie. Because NDC doesn't have organizer as it speaks now.
Why the camera?
Okay, my blue.
Whatever, chairman.
No. You see. And the chairman of court Baku 50 has been distracted with that court, you know,
yeah.
and to know on to me and function freely like others. My sister, we your mama film national
Happy FM.
The only person who one of cast amount from pure maybe
the next phase of the party.
Asiedu Nkatie.
I see.
And this is who Asiedu Nkatie for this structure mu. And the new parliamentary service board. What it means is that you want to disable the NDC.
Now, chief producer said no more communications officer.
Salmet my friend, NDC for the Munkoye trouble on the No. It's not a youthful person. Sami speaks, you communicate. Sami doesn't organize. Sami is a communicator. It's a man is a young castle Becca. Is it who person
or pick on certain individuals, but no, maybe you're free, but no.
The reality is that the last
discredit all
other executives here.
Is there, Hanadisi is there.
Yeah.
And so before Uba October. And to the wound in the Kosoa.
Charles, you're the mammy.
You're on the Tigana. You're more too Charlotte to say, and this and to me.
So, on Bezon Bubu and this for a print in your man is appointed. But
if you have taken a said, you know what, dear to move or create more parliament, is it we are part of the parliamentary service board? If you know the role Asiedu played to get Bagni elected, Obi or no what parliament, if you are winning, you know, or
yeah,
a general secretary, Biadano, Asiedu was there. It's a child no better. And MPP News said, Asiedu is the trouble for them. He's the trouble house, he's a troublemaker, and the only surviving NDC no better creative confusion my MPP, Asiedu Nkatie. And this is a disappointment with a coach trainer, on to me, quote unquote, on misbehavior. So Asiedu wouldn't be there in subsequent decisions to tell the MPs to say, Mamun Kwaji went to. It was a master stroke, and whoever did it. I said, well, what's a bag in the Amati?
Yeah.
So, what's a bag?
I don't know, yeah. That's the communicate the issue. The speaker.
But you know, sir, the speaker alone can't take decision there. Yes, because
or consult the leadership of the NDC and the leadership of Parliament.
Yeah, the are rejected on the parliament.
And to me, that may say, I said, do I walk with as a messy NDC. A journal do.
I'm Charles McCarthy, editor of the Hawk News.
Anna Asen North. A High Court judge has ruled. Say, a year Asen North MP, Yesweni Ina, and Yeji. What it means is that he does not qualify to call himself a member of parliament elect. If he say, Okuta, a year other allegiances to other countries. Now, the Busane say High Court, a Buasa Semi says, and your Chesa NDC for 137 says what you. Because we are a house and as a chamber, yen ye beyambra. And this yen, if you are not seen, say, Mrana, because you be this one, no, say, yes, if and you know, ocean numbers, no, it does not make any mathematical sense for NDC to say, I'm occupy, I had the seat of the majority. But, no, woman say, Ansani be Speaker of Parliament, the standing orders of Parliament at Trepife say, in the absence of a speaker, and as ye speaker, the otra a year the clerk of Parliament. I am hoping that some amount of declarations will have to be made and our pronunciations will have to be made by the clerk or order the marshal me babia no Canada. Be that as it may. Say I'm calling Sampa and I'm see a better about for speakership in Intino. Ye toaba, ye be who domwa, Okuta, a yen numbers, and also Kuta do. And until you better abandon in who don't know, and I trepife, Senocre, MPP Yamanyoku, Yena MP say what parliament, your doors home. And in any case, if anybody says, oh, independent candidate, overtly, and ask what Bob Bontiaka say, Mujaye, blue. And for that matter, at all times, I'll be supporting the new Patriotic Party. Indeed, this is a man where now is Obetina baby MPP phone points here at year. Into ocean numbers, no, it does not make any mathematical sense for them to start calling themselves majority leader and majority chiefship. It is unconstitutional. It is un-Ghanaian for them to come early and say some baby a majority for now when Parliament has not officially dissolved. Sabia omoteno sebe MPP for Omotibia because Parliament Ninyanya Day and calling off. And it is un-Ghanaian for them to do that. No credit do. The six polachi. The Minshe Polachi. Baby Ametiana Hoya Hoya strategic speaker. I speaker Behume. Tafo who say yes. Or my new pastor made. I say who be a new movie because all the cover house. I say I cry our best school now pray. A Jumano, Yadi kind Esia. Yadi can't boy who said that scene in Yankopon Yadomoa, Yababa Ababijina, a yet of one. And Yabobo and Wasi to represent the good people of Otafu constituency. Empire.